Day 35 of doing a LeetCode problem every day until I get a job. Alright guys, we're back again, another day, another LeetCode problem, day 35. You know we're not stopping anytime soon, so as long as you guys gonna be here, I'm gonna be here too, and we're gonna learn together. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Matter of fact, you already know I need you to take your mouse right over here in the corner, and click that subscribe button right there, and then go drop a like, a comment, and a like in the go drop a like and drop a bank emoji in the comments. You know, all my bankers out there. So let's see what question we have today. Today we have question number 2215. Find the difference of two arrays. The difficulty level is easy, so you already know we're going to keep it simple and easy as possible. And this solution today is not that hard to understand, guys. I think y'all should get excited because it's not that long either. So let's see what the question says. It says, given two zero-indexed integer arrays, nums1 and nums2, return a list answer of size 2 where answer 0 is a list of all distinct integers in nums1 which are not present in nums2, and answer 1 is a list of all distinct integers in nums2 which are not present in nums1. Note that the integers in the list may be returned in any order. Okay, so let's look at example 1. You already know we have to look at the examples because that's just hard to understand going by just that question. So it says input nums1 equals an array of integers 1, 2, and 3. Nums2 equals an array of integers 2, 4, and 6. The output is 1 and 2, one an array of integers 1 and 3, and another array of integers 4 and 6. So let's look at the explanation because you might be wondering what just happened right here. So let's look at the explanation and see. It says for nums1 index 1 equals 2, which is this. This is nums1 index 1. It's present at index 0 of nums2. So it's present right here as well. Whereas nums1 0 equals 1 right here, and nums1 index 2, which is equals 3, which is right here, are not present in nums2. Therefore, answer 0 equals 1 and 3. For nums2 index 0 equals 2. That's right here, which is present at index 1 of nums1 right here. Whereas nums2 index 1 equals 4 right here, and nums2 index 2 equals 6, which is right here, are not present in nums2. Therefore, answer 1 is 4 and 6. So basically, guys, what we're doing is we're removing all of the numbers that show up in both arrays. So in this example, 2 is in both arrays, so we're removing 2, and that leaves us with 1, 3 on this side, and 4 and 6 on this side, because we removed the 2. Why? Because the 2 is in both arrays. So let's look at the input 2. It says nums1 equals to an array of integers 1, 2, 3, and 3, and nums2 is equal to an array of integers 1, 1, 2, 2. The output is 3 and a blank array. That is because, like I said, we're removing all the distinct, remember it's the distinct integers, so we're removing all the distinct integers, meaning it doesn't matter how many times it is. If that integer is there, we're removing. If that integer is there in both, we're removing it. So in this example, it's 1s and 2s, so we're removing both the 2s. And since, like I said, it's distinct integers, so we only worried about one. When we're returning, we're going to return 1, 3. Even if it's 2 3s up here, we're only going to return 1 down here. And same on this side. Since it's a 1 and 2 in nums1, we're removing this whole array right here, and that's why it's a blank array. And yeah, so basically what we're doing is we're removing the numbers that show up in both arrays. So in order to do that, it's not that hard. What we're going to do is we're just going to declare a variable. We're going to call that left, and we're going to set that equal to, we're going to say set nums1. And then we're going to do the same, thing for nums2. We're going to say var right equals set nums2. And what that is going to do is that's basically going to create a separate array with only the distinct or unique elements. So this is basically going to create an array of just the numbers without them having, like in this example, how it's 2 3s. This basically is going to set it so that the 1 3, it goes 1 2 3 instead of 1 2 3 3, and it's going to do the same on this side, where it would be 1 1 2 2. It's going to set it, basically it's going to say 1 2. That's what set does. It's going to remove all the elements, all the extra elements that are the same as that have duplicates in the array. Then we're going to come down here and we're going to say return array. Then we're going to say left dot subtracting right. Then we're going to come over here. We're going to do the same thing except the other way around. We're going to say array right dot subtracting left. And let's run that and give it a try and see what it says. It's accepted. All right, guys, let's submit it and get that final answer in there. Boom! 79 milliseconds beats 59.22% of users with Swift. It's not too bad at all. And until tomorrow, guys, I'll see you guys then with another day, another LeetCode problem. See you later.